Hey guys, today we're in a very busy restaurant. This place is called the Pie Factory in Ilford. And look what I've got. I've got a J2O. Wow, I ordered a different drink and I didn't like that. So it's very busy. They are closing very soon, so we had to order very quick. And I've just ordered myself a chicken and mushroom pie. I've been meaning to have one of these for ages, so I can't wait. So very busy behind me, so we'll see what it's like when it comes. Right, so the food's come out really, really quick. I'm really impressed because normally pies take a long time. So I've ordered myself a chicken and mushroom pie, mushy peas, mashed potato, gravy, and it looks scrumptious. So let's give the mushy peas a try. Bismillah. Really mushy. A bit salty as well, but good. Mashed potato. Like the mashed potato in school, a bit like that. Ultimate test, chicken and mushroom pie. My friend, who's not in the video, he actually wanted a pie, so I thought let's go for a pie. So, chicken and mushroom pie. It's hot, bismillah. Banging pie, proper spot on. I was a bit skeptical of eating chicken and mushroom pie because I've been somewhere else and I've had chicken and mushroom pie and it tastes a bit weird, had that bitter taste. That is spot on, proper. So, and I'll also show you, we've ordered some hot chicken wings, so let me give this a try as well. Delicious. Really impressed. I always can rate a place by the first taste of the food, and this is banging. So again, Pie Factory. Oh look, the brothers made a burger, amazing burger. So yeah, that was the boss. He just made this amazing burger for my son. Looks really good. So I'm gonna enjoy my food. Guys, do visit this place. And today is one of those days. It's eat out to help out, 50% off. We have taken advantage. Not too busy in here. The tables are quite spaced out and not overcrowded. Some of the places around here is packed. There's some other Turkish and whatnot places proper jammed up. So I'm gonna enjoy my food. See you guys soon.